Hi, I'm Bbuma. I'm from South Korea and I work and travel as a video editor. I'm currently on a mission to find my base in Asia, somewhere to build my life. I just moved to Da Nang for 3 months and in this episode, I'm building my routine from scratch in a new city.
2, 1, 0.
Good morning! Happy 2026. It feels weird, also felt a little lonely because for the last 3 months I was around full of people. Big contrast to where I am, I'm alone. For this month actually it'll be like that and I planned this. I want to focus on fitness and planning for the next 11 months. That's what I'm gonna do this month. Today I'm going to explore a new coworking space. When I first land in a new city, I usually check out cafés or co-working spaces first. It's going to be a big part of my daily routine for the next 3 months. I looked up a few co-working spaces beforehand, and this week, I'm just trying a different one each day. It has beef inside. Want to eat it? It's spicy. When you first arrive in a new city, you usually don't know anyone. I've been to Da Nang before, but it still feels kind of new. There's a lot of traffic right now. Little gloomy day, and also I've been missing Chiang Mai. I always feel like this when I move to a city for the first 5 days. I always feel like that. So I've been talking to friends in Chiang Mai a lot, and I literally seriously thinking about going back. I'm not really the type of person who can move cities every month while working. Staying at least 2 or 3 months feels way more balanced, long enough to build a routine and focus properly. When I sit down in a table, I listen to a little bit of music to get my mind going before I start working, and I put on Pomodoro. One thing that really helps me is using Pomodoro at the start of work and getting the most urgent task done first. That actually helped me to accelerate the focus. I haven't come back. It's actually very messy right now. It's time to organize, time to clean things. I'm gonna turn on some music. It's 8 a.m. I have an early meeting with a potential client, and we had a meeting in last year, and today I'm going to have a meeting with the director. So thank you so much. I'll see you later. I wear this jacket every day like a uniform. Literally, I have a one jacket that's suitable for this weather. We got a little mother and daughter necklace there. I try to travel with my mom at least once a year because she loves traveling. I always invite her, but because she has job, she can't be travel as much as she want. So we are planning some trip in this May. This will be like 1 month's full travel. Yeah, there will be some preparation going on before. Pretty good. I think with oat milk or almond milk would be even better. Here. 잠깐만. For the last 2 weeks, there was Christmas, New Year's Eve. So for the last 2 weeks, it's been very chill and relaxed compared to the time before Christmas. But I knew that it will be peace before the storm. And then I feel like today is the day that is start of that storm. And I think I'm gonna turn on Pomodoro right now and then get on full on productivity. So. Honestly, top, I don't have a choice. Like January, I didn't know Da Nang is cold. This jacket is like became my uniform. I love having jewelry next to a little dark jacket. So, I mean, I don't have a lot of jewelry. I have pretty much like 2 necklaces and 1 earring. But this will do. I should have done it way before. I mean, it's been a week since I got here and I already had a lot of laundry from Chiang Mai. There's a laundry machine, but I don't think it will dry well because it hasn't been sunny. This one my friend Maddie gave on the Christmas during Secret Santa without knowing where this goes, and it came to me. Today is actually Saturday, but I'm gonna meet a friend today that I met in Da Nang last year and also met in Chiang Mai. So yeah, I'm gonna have a little dinner and get my laundry back. Just finished our dinner. I ordered morning glory and one like seaweed soup that I never tried here, which was really nice. Wow, this is actually the first time it's sunny today. A lot of people are actually here. Wow, I didn't even know my room has sunset view. I didn't even know there's mountains there because it hasn't been sunny and clear at all. But turns out I have sunset view. Come on.
If you have time to chew, you have time to take the berry. If again.